I am fixing our mic. They got busted by a fucking kid with a soccer ball. I think I fucking nailed it though. They literally knocked the connector off of the microphone and snapped it clean off, so we've had to get all the circuit boards back connected. And I managed to do that, and I've put about 20 layers of fucking gaffer tape, and I think we are on a winner. Magic fingers, bro.
Magic fingers.
Nailed it. Difference a day can make. The sun is out and it looks like clear skies for the day. We've all dried out from our torrential rainstorm yesterday coming over Sintan Pass. Today we are heading to Srinagar, which is the capital of the area. So it's one of the biggest cities in Kashmir. There's going to be a lot of military presence today. Srinagar has a very big military occupancy there, so there's going to be many more checkpoints for the day, so that's going to slow us down. I think we've got about 120 kilometers to do today. There's lots of villages and towns that we're going to go through, so it's going to be very slow riding, I think. We'll get to see some nice mountain passes again, and then we are staying on some awesome old 100-year-old houseboats tonight, so that's going to be a lot of fun. Hopefully we get in by afternoon so we can actually check out the city. It's a good opportunity to buy those little bits and pieces that we have broken and fix your boots and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to checking out Srinagar. So I've heard a lot about it, but I've never been before. See you on the road. Today we're heading to Srinagar. The roads have opened up and we're on a lot more highways. The traffic is hectic. It's absolutely mental. I don't know where all these cars have come from. Trying to keep the group together in this traffic is absolute chaos. Well, that was f***ing chaos, and we didn't lose anyone. I'm very impressed. We basically just sat in traffic for about 2 hours, and we've done about 30 kilometers, I think. But we're only about 20 kilometers out of Srinagar, so we're gonna get there really early and be able to do a bit of exploring, which is awesome. That's one take. Yeah. Thank you. This is my first time to Kashmir, and they do less chai here and more of this, which is a Kashmiri kawa, which is a tea with cardamom, almond, a lot of herbs and flavors. It's absolutely delicious. Oh, that was fucking chaos. I cannot believe that we didn't lose anyone in that stretch. It takes some balls to undertake and overtake and weave your way through that traffic. It's pretty fucking nuts, but it looks like we've arrived to our houseboats. Check this out. It's the first time I've seen anything like this in India, so this is quite unique to me as well. Cool. We've made it to Srinagar. It's one of the big tourist destinations in Kashmir. Got fucking hot again. It's over 40 degrees on my temperature gauge. Coming from probably minus degrees yesterday to 40 again today. It's crazy. The drops and changes. Mental. Thought Melbourne was bad.
Travelling safely, enjoying the ride, keeping me company. Keeps me safe, hopefully. In this traffic though, anything could happen.
Luxury pad. Fuck that. There is no money in the world that would make me get into this fucking cesspool of a river.
I'll swim.
Jake is wearing a fucking sewer on his head. Of course you'll swim. We're really looking forward to some time on the water and a bit of relaxation off of the motorbikes. First thing in the third?
Yeah.
I was taking 3-1 then. This is romantic. Jake and I are going to do some spooning tonight. He might just get lucky. Huh? Huh?
It's like a beer tank problem. Get out now.
Sorry. Mate. First meal in a white t-shirt. Stained. Why would we bother walking to the tourist shopping destinations when we can just laze around on a boat and have all the merchants come to us? 1,000, 1,400.
No, 1,200.
Oh, you got a cheaper than you, motherfucker? I should have actually bought another one.
I helped you out. You were still at 1,000. I helped yours, man.
Is that like a heavyweight belt?
Roller? I think it's too big, man. Too big? This is such a unique place. All of these boats are merchants. Now, there's everything from jewellery, tacky giftware, kebab shops. There's even free Wi-Fi out here. Thank you. Jake? Yep.
There you go.
Sweet.
Home sweet home.
Today was a really easy day, and it was good just to sit back and relax and take in the sights. It's one of the things I love the most about being on a motorbike. Just to be able to experience the world around you.
Good.
Come out and get me some whiskeys, bro.
Might need some whiskey, maybe, after jumping in. So, I'm going to jump into the river. Basically, Matt from Nevermind said go for a swim. As you can see, there's a lot of algae and stuff and shit like that, and most people don't want to swim. But I'm going to make an effort. You know, it's good for content, and I'm going to do it. So, I'm jumping in.
I think you should just swim out and get me a whiskey.
I'll probably get myself one. All right, ready?
Oh, he fucking dived.
Oh yeah! Like a champ.
So we go from one epic day of insane mountain passes to a day of absolutely gridlocked traffic. We did 55 kilometers today and it took us about 4 hours and the traffic was just standstill. There was military everywhere today. About every 50, 100 meters, there was military with weapons on the side of the road. It was quite an intimidating journey on the freeway this afternoon. But we arrived in Srinagar and we've come to these amazing 100-year-old houseboats where we're staying tonight. These are actually floating pontoons on the river. We headed into town, we checked it out, and we caught one of the gondolas back to the boat this afternoon, and all the market traders came to the boats and were selling us their goods. We had kebabs, bought jewelry, and had an amazing dinner at the hotel tonight. And tomorrow we're heading into Cargill bright and early.